So today for October, we're going to be making some spiderweb pancakes. Bear with me, y'all. I'm really not good at this festive stuff, obviously, because my jalapeno poppers were a little fat looking. My cookies came out a little crazy, but bear with me. We doing it. We doing it. More drops of the black, because I want it black, not gray. It's like charcoal gray right now. So we'll add a few more drops. Diggity diggity. Let's see what that does. Oh, we need way more drops of the diggity diggity. These ain't gonna be black at all. I don't want it to taste all funky. But I don't want it to add. Didn't think I was gonna add food coloring either. Probably should have did like Oreo mixed in. What? No, I'm gonna eat these pancakes. I'm gonna eat a pancake. Your sandwich has eggs on it. Your sandwich has eggs on it. And cheese. Oh, I do eat cheese, but not that much. Cheese and spinach. You don't have tomatoes? And onions? No pizzazz? Come on, dial it up for me. Cheese, eggs, and spinach. Okay. All right, so we got our mix. I'm gonna add this to a piping bag and see if we can make our. I kind of want it a little bit darker. Let's see if we can get it darker. Maybe. Yeah, Sunny would love that. Well, he really doesn't like anything. I tried to give him some fries from Burger King one time, and he did not eat those bad daddies. He got them right there. And I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning since I added all that food coloring. I think these are dark enough. What do you guys think? Then I'm gonna add a bear with me. Okay, I got my. Oh! This is not a spider web. Oh my god. They smell good, but they just don't look how they're supposed to look. So I'm gonna redo this. I don't know how the fuck to make a freaking spider web. How the hell do you do a spider web? I think I need a smaller hole. So this is what the spider web is supposed to look like. This is what I got. I told you I can't really draw. I'm not super like artistic. I guess I could, but I'm looking at the picture and I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna do it again a couple more times and see how it comes out, because honey, this one ain't it. Line that I keep. This one's not too bad. Okay, a little better. Got one more. I think I'm gonna make one more. The last one's gonna be perfect. I didn't do too bad. These last two came out pretty good. We have some success. I didn't fail this time. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about these spooky treats. Do you guys make spooky treats too? Like, what the heck? I never knew drawing with food could be so difficult. I don't normally play with my food. I just usually make it. That's why I think I'm having such a difficult time. But I'm trying, and we are doing. We got some little mini spiders on there. We doing that thing, okay? It's looking pretty good. Thank you guys for coming along and tuning in to Traptober. We are going to be posting every single day this month, so keep up with us. Don't forget to subscribe, eat, drink, and be scary.